This September, we're hosting some unmissable regional stakeholder workshops where you can help shape our energy networks now and in the future. Stakeholders are key to helping us deliver on our commitments to the Northwest, and these events are your opportunity to tell us how we can support you. We want to know what support we can provide and how we can help make your green growth and local energy ambitions happen. We'll be hosting interactive exhibition stands where you can speak directly to our experts. And we'll also be sharing updates on our performance. We've committed to investing over £1 million a day on our network. Tell us what's working and what we can do better. We'll also be sharing updates on our once-in-a-generation investment plan with our spend colleagues. Come and find out more about how our stakeholders and partners are influencing our future plans. We're heading across our region. Come and join us in Cumbria, Lancashire, and here in Greater Manchester throughout September. Register via the links below. We can't wait to see you there.